Hello techies. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to work with open command session as well as close command session. And also we have seen how to change the directory or working folder by using open command session. Alright. Now in this tutorial, we will learn how to write the command to the command session by using write to command section action. Alright. To make you understand, once again, let me open the command line interface by clicking on Windows R, and after that I have given the command over here as command. And there if you see, as a first step, we have opened the command line interface. Now, to change the directory, what we have done, we have used the command cd/d and we have given the path as Power Automate Desktop. And then click on enter. Now, the command line interface changed to the working directory over here as Power Automate Desktop. Now, this is the commands which we have written till now by using Power Automate Desktop also. Now, I want to write some of the commands over here. In such a way, I want to write directory, or if I want to know the details of particular things by using command line interface, we're going to write the commands to the CLI or command session, right? In such a way, if I want to do the same thing in my Power Automate Desktop, I can use the command over here as write to command session. What it will do, it will execute the command on an open command session, right? Now let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. And if you see the parameters over here, I'm having command section which is already open, or the session or the variable which we have used to open the command session. Now over here, if you see, I'm having the second parameter command. Which command do you want to enter or to execute by using open command session? I will give simply over here as dir, nothing but directory. And if you see the third parameter over here, send enter after command. This is disable or enable. If you're going to disable it, once you will write the command, it won't allow you to enter. In the simple way, you have given dir directory, and then if you're going to click on enter in the using command line interface in such a way over here, whenever you are going to enable it, it will clicks on enter automatically. You can see specify whether to send and enter the command. All right. Now, this is the simple way what we are going to do. If you don't want to send the enter command in such a way, then you are going to disable it. All right. Once you are going to write this command, you will get an output, right? By using this write command section, you are just going to write the commands, but you are not going to read the commands. Let me show you that also. Now, you don't have any outputs over here after writing command session by using write to command section. Let me click on save. Now, to make you understand, the particular write to command will provide any kind of output or not. To make you understand that, I'm going to run the flow by clicking on run. Flow execution started, and you can see the command has been executed successfully because of we don't find any errors on the particular flow. So that our command has been executed successfully. But where is the output? We don't have any output over here. It's simply by using write to command section, we're just going to execute the command. But you may get a doubt, how can we go ahead and read it? All right, now you are having another command, that is read from command session. In the next session, I will explain you about this read from command section, how to read the output once you have executed the command from the write to command section. All right. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.